Hi, it's Chester at Blue Pecan Computer Training, and in this video I want to explain how to display a positive sign against positive numbers in Excel. By default, Excel shows the negative sign, the minus sign against minus numbers, but not the positive sign against positive numbers. How do we achieve this? Well, the first step is to select all the cells that you want to apply this change to, and then you need to go to the Format Cells dialog box. Various ways you can get to that. You could right click and then go to Format Cells, or what I tend to do is use Control 1 to bring up that dialog box. In this dialog box, go down to Custom, and for numbers that don't need to be formatted in a particular way, like currency or percentage, we can just choose the 0 here. Now I need to explain that there are three parts of the custom format we're interested in: formats for positive numbers, formats for negative numbers, and formats for zeros. The first part of the format for custom formats is for positive numbers. We then put in a semicolon, and the second part is for negative numbers. Then I put another semicolon in, and the third part is for zeros. You can also have a fourth part for text values, but we're not interested in that here. I've got positive values, negative values, and zeros. What I can do is I can put a plus sign before the positive part of the format, a negative sign before the negative part of the format, and just leave the third part as a 0. Don't have any sign at all. If I click on OK, you can see that my positive values now have a plus sign before them. Just to prove that the 0 works, let's change this value to the same value as the previous year, and I get a 0 without a sign. Let me show you how to do the same thing for currency values. What I'll do is just take that format off and apply the currency format. Take off the decimal places. Again, what I'll do is I'll go into Format Cells, go down to Custom. In this list, you'll find a good starting point. This one here is quite good. You've got the format for the positive values before or to the left of the semicolon, and we can put a plus sign in front of that. The format for the negative values already has a minus sign, so we can leave that there. And if we wanted to do the zeros without any sign, put another semicolon in, and I can just copy this format or syntax in for the zeros without any sign at all. Click on OK, and there we have it. You can also do it for percentage values. If I select these here, Control 1, and go down to Custom here. And what I would do here is just put my plus in front of the 0% there, put another semicolon in, minus 0% for the negative values, then semicolon again, 0% for the 0 values. Click on OK, and you have it there just as you want. Okay, that's all I wanted to cover in this particular video. Hopefully you found it useful, and I'll see you next video.